What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw blue from If. Now before we begin today's lesson, I just want to mention that over 92% of you that watch my lessons aren't actually subscribed to this channel. So if you enjoy my videos and gain some valuable tips, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It helps the channel more than you know, so please make sure you subscribe and share this with all your friends. Thanks for your support, and let's get on with today's lesson. We're starting in the center of our page at the bottom edge of the eyes. Now we're going to leave a large gap in the center. Let's start on the left side. We'll start with a curve coming down and then bend that up towards the outside. Let's line this up on the right side and do the same thing, coming down toward the bottom and then back up. Now I want to connect the ends with a circle going up along the top of the eye. So let's start on the left. We're going to go all the way around to the top of the eye, come in and then down, and do the same thing on the right, going up towards the same height, and then back down towards the bottom. Now I'm going to push the iris and pupil towards the inside of the eye. So let's start on the left side, start with a circle going all the way around, and then just tuck that in across the bottom. Let's line this up on the right. Doing the same thing, drawing the same size circle, going around, and then tucking that in. Let's go to the top of each eye, draw a small circle for a highlight. And then in the center of our iris, in behind the highlight, we're going to draw another circle for the pupil, going all the way around. And I'm going to fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now let's move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. We're going to start directly underneath the left eye. Start with a curve going up the middle and then that down. Let's curl the corners of the mouth, starting back on the left, going around and then up towards the side. Do the same thing on the right. Now on the ends, we're going to add a small bracket to close off the corners of the mouth. Let's go up to the top and add those thick eyebrows. We're going to start on the left, bend this up and then in. Line this up on the right, going across and then down. Now I want to add some thickness to the eyebrows by rounding out the ends. So let's start by curling this around, almost like a small half circle. And then we'll close off the top of that same curve, going up and then in towards the top. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now along the top of the head, let's sweep the hair over towards the left. We're going to start right in the middle, in between the brow. Start with a point, bend this up and then down towards the left. Go up and then bend that down towards the center. Now let's add in the ears. We're going to start on the left side, in behind the hair, bend this out and then down. Let's line this up above the right brow, going out and then down. Round up the ears, pull this up towards the top and then back in. Let's add some more hair across the top. Starting on top of the left ear, bend this out and then up. Come down and across, go up and then down towards the right. Let's go up to the top, add another fold going up and then down. And we'll add one point going up towards the right and back in on top of the ear. Now underneath the ears, we're going to curve the head. We're going to go out and then down around the corners of the mouth. Let's move up and draw the outside of the arm, going out and then down towards the elbow. I'm just going to bend this in. Let's line this up on the right, going out, round out the elbow, and then bend that in towards the same height. Now you want to add a point of fur across the elbow. So just going to pull this up to create that point. Bend the forearm, coming down and then up towards the wrist. Now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start on the left, curve this down, around, and then back out. Let's layer the second finger in behind. So starting on the inside, we're going to go around and then back out. Now I want to extend that index finger. Starting from the top, we're going to come down, go all the way around towards the top, and then bend that down towards the inside of the elbow. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Coming around, up towards the top, back down. Let's add a fold, stepping in, going up, and then out. Now, just underneath the arm, is going to curve the body. We're going to come down and bend that in. Let's go over towards the right. Down and then in. Now, along the hips, we want to create a fold. So we're going to step back out, curl the leg, coming straight down, and then bend that out. Let's round out the feet. Down, and just pull that up on the inside. We want to leave a gap in between the legs. And then in the center, we're going to step up and add a curve from left to right, coming down and then up. Now let's close off the inside leg, going in and then up underneath that fold. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw blue from If. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.